Fancy, fancy. You want to go this way or that way?
I'll go this way.
Let's go that way.
This way?
Yep. I hear that river.
That's probably where that girl with the stroller's coming to.
With the dog in the stroller. That's the dam right down there.
Somebody lost their drawers.
Mercy.
We'll take them home walking. That'd be good. There's water coming down that hill.
I'd hate to be drunk and fall down that hill, try to get back up that hill.
No, well, you have to worry about coming back up. They bring you up in a body bag. No problem.
Look at, they got a amphitheater. Look up there. Real nice.
Here's the amphitheater right here. Isn't that seats?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. Well, what is that up there? Don't look like it's been used in a long time.
Maybe they built a new one up on top.
That's like old Roman stuff there. They feed your ass to the lion down here, bring you out them little white doors. Just stick him, get him.
Now I'll bet you can look, but I'll bet you that's a tunnel. And it goes all the way through that hill.
Oh, well, whoa. That guy down there working on whatever that noise is.
Electricity.
See, there's a parking lot down there. How do you get down there?
I'm about to ask you the same thing. Those ain't steps, are they?
Yep.
Sure, I don't. Yeah, I'll be good.
They are. You want to go?
Here. This ain't the kind of falls you can touch.
Just watch your feet. This place hasn't been used in quite some time. That's the top part of the dam right there.
What?
That's the top part of the dam.
This is where that gate was. You can't get down there with the car.
Well, we can get down there this way.
Maybe. Looks like there's a pair of steps. To the left there. Could be wrong, but the wall or something.
I don't see no steps. Oh, we're in there with that guy in his truck. This must have been the parking lot for that mill. That cable's, yeah, he's pulling that cable.
He's opening the gates and closing them down.
I don't know.
Where the water is though, Chief.
Yep.
Danger high voltage. We'll stay clear of that. Positively no admittance.
Except on business. We own business.
Monkey business.
Monkey business. Monkey see, monkey do.
I like the fish back up in here.
Something was jamming in wheels evidently. Yeah, it'd be nice fish.
Open spillway.